Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to increase decimal in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and you can see here I have a simple data. So for total amount column I'm going to increase the decimal number. Okay, so simply select the column, right click of the mouse, click on the format cell options, and here you can see the format cell dialog box is open. In number tab, select the category number and here decimal places showing. It's automatically selected the number category. If not, you can just click on the number tab in number category. Then you can change here the decimal places. Its default is 0 mention. You can increase this arrow and you can see here the sample preview. When you increase the decimal, see the changes over here. The decimal is increasing. When you decrease the decimal, you can see the changes over here. The decimal is decreasing. So I increase here the decimal 2. After that, just click on OK and that's it. You can see the every amount 2 decimal is added. Okay, it's increasing. Same as I show you here the shortcut way. Simply select the column, go to the home tab. In number group, so this option is to increase decimal. So when you click on this option, you can see in column the decimal is increasing. Same as I just click again and you can see the decimal is increasing. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.